Hi guys, Miss Divine is here of Divinegracetvph. In this video, I'm going to show you how to electronically sign your PDF file or your worksheet that is in PDF format using this awesome application. So, tune in.
Let's begin.
Type on the search bar the application smallpdf, then enter. Smallpdf.com is an awesome platform that offers a free solution to all your PDF problems. It can make super easy to convert and edit all your PDF files. Take a look on it. Let's click. Go to the website. As you can see, these are all the features of the smallpdf.com. You can compress PDF, PDF convert, and you can even convert PDF to JPEG and JPEG to PDF. Okay. You can merge PDF. You can split PDF. You can rotate PDF. Edit PDF. In editing PDF, you can add text, you can add shapes, images, and freehand annotations to your PDF. Okay. You can convert or extract images from your PDF or save each page as a separate image. Now, let's proceed with the how to electronically sign your PDF file or your worksheet that is in PDF format using this application. Let's choose now the e-sign PDF feature. Let's click on it. Okay, you can see this one and the PDF e-sign PDF feature. You can choose file from the device, from your Dropbox or from your Google Drive. I will choose this from device. I will upload my worksheet PDF. Okay, let's try this one, worksheet number 3. Okay. This is a worksheet in PDF format. We will type our name or your name in this worksheet. But how? Click on the space beside the name and choose this letter T where you can add text or letters. You can add your name. Let's erase this type something. Okay, then replace it your name. For example, Juan de la Cruz. Okay, click anywhere for you to move the text box. You can resize that name by choosing this one. You can resize it to medium, resize it to small, resize to extra large. That is extra large. Okay, let's return it back to regular size. And we can also recolor. You can choose green, we can choose yellow, you can choose red. I will choose red. Okay, or blue. I want red. Okay, next, type the section, then commitment. Okay, click anywhere for you to move the text box. Recolor, I want red. And next, type in your school, LPCTVHS. Click anywhere. Move recolor. That's it. So simple. And you can even add your own signature. Let's try to click this create signature. You can draw your signature. You can upload your signature. This time I want to draw my own signature. I want to choose red and I will draw my signature. Okay, then create signature. Okay, that's it. You have to drag and drop your signature on your document like this. Ayun. Okay, that is very simple.